everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am doing another Father's Day video. Remember, Father's Day is coming up pretty soon, so we want to make sure that we have all the gifts that we need for that special man in your life. All right, so again, I am going to be making a t-shirt for my husband. Now let me show you what I have. I have this gilded, let me show it to you. I have this Gildan dry blend t-shirt, okay, and I was just making sure that it was going to be polyester, because remember, in order to sublimate on t-shirts or anything else, it has to be at least 50% polyester. So the higher the polyester count, the better, okay? So I had to make sure that it was at least 50%. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it says 50% cotton and 50% polyester. So I can sublimate on that, because I was looking through my stash and I was like, I know I have a shirt for my husband. All right, so we're going to be using this white gilded shirt. And I have a design here that I did. I think I did this design last year or the year before. I think it was last year when I was learning more about creating my own designs and sublimation and all that stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the design that I created. I'm over here in Canva, and I'm going to be adding it to his shirt. All right, so let's go ahead into Canva and let me show you what I have. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, so here is the design that I created. For one thing, my husband loved lions, and we are Leos here in this household. All of us was born in the month of August. All of us are Leos except my oldest daughter. She was born in August, but she didn't come in as a Leo. All right, so I'm going to be taking this design. I'm going to be putting this on the shirt that I just showed you for my husband for Father's Day. Now, a lot of times people put Father's Day shirts and all this, but guess what? I'm going to be using this for his Father's Day shirt. Therefore, he can wear it at any time. You know, anytime he get ready to wear it, he still can wear it. So I've already showed you how you can go into Canva and print out your design. So I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET2760, the sublimation printer that I converted over into sublimation. Then we're going to go ahead over to my Better Sub heat press and go ahead and heat this up, okay? All right, everyone, so my design has printed out. I have my shirt, my husband's shirt right here. I have went ahead and lint rolled it. So here's the lint roller. I have another one that I have to open up. All right, I have my heat tape. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tape it on here. All right, so what I do, I just take it and just place it, you know, center it. So I have my measuring tape where I've already measured it for the center. Okay, so I'm just going to take it and just put it about right in the center. Make sure I come down enough. Okay, about 3, maybe 4 fingers down. Okay, all right, so I think I'm going to put it about right here. I think that's good. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my heat tape and just tape it down. Remember to always flip your design, all right, or mirror it. Make sure you mirror your design and just tape it down so that it will adhere to your shirt. Once you the ink will adhere to the fabric in your shirt, okay, once it's heated up. Okay, and again, I have my Better Sub heat press. It's set to 350 for 60 minutes. Remember, everything that I am using here is in the description box. All right, Amazon links. All right, so once it heat up, I have this little paper here, and I'm just going to take it and place it over my design just like so, and then I'm going to press it. Okay, another thing that I forgot to tell you is that I have butcher paper, and remember, I put butcher paper on the bottom of my heat press, and this time I have, but since I'm doing sublimation, I put butcher paper on the inside of my t-shirt. That is just so that the ink will not bleed to the back of your shirt, so you don't want that. So that's why I put this butcher paper right underneath my shirt. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it down so that it can press. I have it set for 60 seconds. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the heat press. All right, so as you can see, you see the design coming through the paper. So that's usually a good sign that it did take, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna let it cool just for a second. All right, make sure you have some heat gloves, which I have right here. All right, before you start taking off the heat tape, because this is hot. All right. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and move the paper, the design that I made. Remember, this is my husband's shirt for Father's Day, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. All right. Let's see how it looks. It's looking really good, y'all. I love it. All right. Okay. So let me give you a closer look at it. All right, y'all. So here is the shirt that I designed for my husband for Father's Day. It says powerful, strong, fearless, and protector. All right. So here is the t-shirt that I made for my husband for Father's Day. Remember, this is Sublimation. It is a Gildan dry blend 50% cotton and 50% polyester shirt. All right, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that you all have a blessed and amazing day and week, and I will be back on here to give you another video very soon. All right, you all make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family. All right, you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next video.